Howdy, folks, and welcome back. Hope you guys are all blessed and doing okay out there. Well, for today's video, I present to you Reading Lines, or the Reading Railroad, I should say. Now, I'll be honest, guys, I'm not too familiar with this company or their operations. What I do know is, I thought it was pronounced Reading, but it's Reading, as in Reading, Pennsylvania. So let's take a look and see what this one has to offer. There's a map of the Reading lines right there, showing where they ran. They had some pretty cool paint schemes and locomotives, that's one thing I know. And they ran along with the Pennsylvania Railroad. Presidents of the Reading Railway Company right there. Stuff you're going to see in this book. Chronological. Oh, no, this is what happened. This shows what happened with the railway in chronological order. A rich heritage of history. Indeed. I think there's something missing there, but I don't know, guys. Had to wet my whistle there for a second, y'all. Similar depictions of the Reading lines and I guess stuff like that. And there's some of the modern variants they had too, like modern diesels. First generation though. Signal lights. Different structures they had, it looks like. And here is a variety of steam engines they had. They had quite a few camelbacks, including a big one right there, it looks like. I also think they had an articulated camelback, but I could be wrong. And as you can see over time, steam engines just got bigger and bigger, and eventually they got diesels. Huh, I forgot they had some of the train masters from Fairbanks Morse. Cool. Rolling stock and various other locomotives. Here's a bobber caboose. Pardon me. Passenger cars and, man waving out the window of an F unit. Very nice. Here's a fold out with some information about the Reading. I'll let you guys take a look. This is so cool. Very nice. Port Richmond. Richmond, Virginia, I believe is where it is. You can pause and read about this anytime you want during the video, guys. This stuff is interesting. The Reading Fleet. Had a fleet they did, indeed. Men at work. Reading people. A heartland of industrial opportunity and a complete transportation service. I'll say they were. New developments. Evolution and change. a look at the Reading Railroad of tomorrow. Oh, that's a neat effect. I like that. This was whenever things were evolving and getting a bit more modern in the railways of America. At the time, this technology was brand new and made things a bit easier and more efficient. But at the same time, look at how complicated this stuff is. This is a switchboard for making calls. This was the future right here, as y'all can see. And this is the future of dispatching centers, and it's kind of what we have today, but it's a bit more modern with screens. There's some of the rails right there. And there you have it, guys. Now, like I said, I'm not too familiar about the history of the Reading Lines. I know it was a unique railway, as you guys saw, and today it survives on as a heritage unit on Norfolk Southern. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this short video. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Remember, be safe around trains, and the good Lord loves all of you. See y'all next time.